Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Between the Sharks. If you're new here, you may not know the story. Girlfriend and I have been out of town most of 2025, and she is also a criminal. That's right.
You're in here for violating the sanitary code.
Violation notices on the door, but she is still out on the lam in California with the dog. They're on the run because the code man says this will not abide.
You say something about my lawn retrieve?
We're gonna fix it. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna come into compliance, get back on the right side of the law, avoid lawn jail, clean the place up, because we do care about these places. We didn't mean to abandon them, but life has been wild in 2025. Weed whacker found. It's usually like a game of go fish around here, like who borrowed what when. Typically I'm the lender and somebody else is the borrower and I'm tracking down my tools. Okay, she is bone dry. Don't leave any fuel around here. Dang, I'm not prepared for this at all. Oh, there's the jug. All right. Oh, not a trip.
We're out of gas.
I'm all for safety, but why did I make jerry cans so? See, I just spilled it because the can doesn't want to be a can. You since the baby that you got a gas can and you were just sort of responsible enough for, you know, not spilling said gas can. Now it takes 3 different safety switches all to be activated at once just to make the thing pour gas. And
You're not trained, you're not qualified.
And the gas can is covered in some kind of weird gasoline creatures. What kind of sci-fi madness are you? Anybody know? I don't know. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! All right. Let's tear some stuff up. Look at the size of this poison ivy. I mean, Atlanta just turns into a full-blown jungle. It's like Mesozoic out here from like, I don't know, April till October. Mosquitoes the size of pterodactyls, spiders that can kill you, and poison ivy that grows bigger than elephant ears, you know what I'm saying? It's nuts. Not bad, not bad. Couple hours and vast improvements. This is no Hank Hill yard by any stretch of the imagination, but we knocked it down from 3 feet high, so that ought to give us a start for the season. We can maintain it and make it better a little bit every time, but man, big difference. Plenty to do, but mo better. All right, gang, the goal was to make it more better. We still got to pressure wash and paint the house, and there's still yard work to do and all that stuff, but baby steps. You got to do it a little bit at a time, otherwise you're just going to get overwhelmed. At least that's how I work, so, you know, go easy on yourself. You got it. You can do this. That should keep the code man at bay. We should keep the neighbors happy, and it does look more respectable, and we do care about these houses, so it does, you know, we don't want them to go to pot, is what I'm saying. So it's a lovely, great big backyard. But what transformation. It's funny, 3 feet of grass. I didn't realize we'd been gone that long, but we indeed have. As always, thank you for watching. If you want to continue to support the channel, check out the Amazon store below, or consider buying yourself a Between the Sharks t-shirt. It really does help the channel out. Helps me make all of these videos. As always, good luck on your projects, and we will see you next time on Between the Sharks. The house may look more respectable, but I can't say that I do, you know? All right, on to the next.